Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're looking at a wireless microphone for my phone. Yes, I wanted to get a wireless microphone for the phone. This is basically plug and play technology. Basically uses like Wi-Fi technology, 2.4 gigahertz, around 70-foot range. You get around 7 hours of use time out of this once it's fully charged. So far, so good. I've tested a little bit. I just want to do an unboxing, just show you a little bit about this. Again, plug and play technology. It uses a lightning cable. This is for the iPhone, and they also have them for Android as well. So what's in the case? Well, the case comes just like you see here. Basically, it's devices in this case here. And the case was partially charged. Easy to open, easy to use. It's got a USB-C right here charger. It does come with 2 cables in this box in here. And these are because there's 2 microphones. This is a dual microphone system. Right now I'm talking to you on my phone, and we'll do a test real quick in a few minutes, so stay tuned, stick with me, and you'll hear how it sounds once I plug it in. So it does come with 2 USB-C chargers because there's 2 microphones in this system, which means you can have a dual interview with 2 people, and there's no syncing, there's no worry about channels, there's no worry about anything. It's super easy, it's plug and play, and honestly, for the price point, it sounds pretty decent, I have to tell you. I mean, I've had microphones for $1,000, and for me, honestly, for the price point for this, not bad. Again, this is all that's included in the package right here, so super simple to understand. This is it. And let's open up the box and take a look inside. So what you're gonna see here are 2 microphones, okay? And you're gonna see 1 receiver. So here is the receiver. So the receiver snaps on the back of your phone, your lightning cable. The only issue is that my phone does have a big case on it, so I did have to purchase an extension on this so it does fit in better, just so you know. And I'll leave a link for that down below as well. And I'll also leave a link for the microphone in the description, so check that out. It is an affiliate link. I do get a small commission that costs you nothing, just to let you know. Hopefully I can help you out and just teach you a little bit about these type of item. Again, lightning connection, you plug and play technology. You don't have to worry about anything, and the range is pretty decent, around 70 feet. So we'll do that a little quick test. I'll walk around the house in a minute. And it does come with 2, okay? And you can see here, so it has a little clip in the back. We'll leave the yellow one, and this is exactly the same microphones, exactly identical, so just so you know, okay? It has a USB-C right here on the side. This is so you can charge them individually, or you can just charge the case, and the case charges them as well. Again, you get around 7 hours of use out of each one of these microphones, which is really good to know. All right, so you got a great distance, 2.4 gigahertz technology. It's got a proprietary windscreen here. You can see you can take this off and leave it on. I would leave it on for sure. It also has built-in sound control, so if it's windy out, it'll make it less windy. It'll just noise reduction, has all this all built in, so it's really nice and easy, and you don't have to worry about too many things. I'll really just turn it on and it goes. It does have a mute button, has an M for mute button right here. Hopefully you can see that. It has a mute button right here, and that's easy enough to use, and it has a little switch in the back here. So from what I understand, the switch is it sends a signal basically to the phone and pauses it and turns it on. That's all it is. You don't have, there's no other controls for the microphone, for the wind control, or the sensitivity of the microphone. It's basically just one thing, plug and play, and it has built-in technology. So if it is windy out, it helps with that, and it does seem to work pretty well. So that's how that works. So I'm gonna pop this in the back of my phone. I'm gonna put this on, and it should just connect just like that, and it sounds decent. You're gonna hear it 1 second. Let's plug it in right now. So I'm using my phone to record this. I'm just gonna, because I wanted you to hear with the phone, and then I want you to hear with the microphone. So I'm just gonna pop this in the back, and let's see if it hopefully won't disrupt the video. If it does, we'll just come right back. Okay guys, so I just plugged it in. So it was blinking before, so now it's a solid blue. So solid blue indicates that it's now connected. So hopefully you can hear me. Obviously hopefully you can hear that. That is the microphone making that noise. I'm just gonna put this clip and put it on my shirt, and let's see how it sounds. I'm just gonna put it right on my lapel here. Okay guys, so now I have it hooked up to my shirt here, and here are my hands right here. So I'm just gonna take a quick walk around, so hopefully you can hear me. I'm gonna leave my camera right here, and I'm just gonna walk around, see how far I can go. And you can take a look at this box. You can take a look at this here. Just a quick test. I don't want to make this a very long video. I just want to get to the point. This thing works great. So here I go right now. So I'm going to take a little walk just quickly, and I'm just going to take a walk around, and I'm actually about 25 feet away. I'm going to go into another room. Okay, it's around 40 feet here. Right now I'm walking around. I'm in another room here. And I'm in the bathroom actually. I'll walk far away from my house as further as I can go. This is probably around 45 feet or so, 50 feet, no problem. I'm between walls. That's another thing as well. So far, so good. I think it sounds great. I love the way it sounds. You can walk around, you can interview people, you can put 2 people on the same microphone, 2 different microphones, like I said, so you can interview 2 people. It's really kind of cool. I actually love this product. So hopefully you heard me. Everything was crystal clear. Absolutely fantastic. I think it works great. Here's the case, just like I said. Let me take it off my lapel here. So hopefully you heard that. Let me just disconnect it from the camera. Let's get back to the camera, and hopefully let's just finish up the review. And I appreciate you sticking around and watching this whole review with me with this awesome, really cool device for not a lot of money. I am putting this back in here. So if I heard the playback real quick, it sounded great on my phone. You can see here, once you plug it back in, it'll start charging up these devices again, just like that. You close it up. It does have an indicator right here on the side. It does tell you how much power you have left. There's 4 bars here. This is fully charged. Like I said, and I'll just recharge them in your own location. Hopefully you can see that. Try to open up so you can see the lights. There we go. So you can see the lights there a little bit. So you can see the lights right there. They just blink. It tells you how much power you have. So this is fully charged. There you go. So there you go. Now you can see the 4 lights lit, and it tells you it's fully charged, and it goes down. Every one is 25%, and that's how that works. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If I brought you some value and I brought you some information, let me know. Leave some comments down below, please. It does help me out quite a bit. Leave some thumbs up if you enjoyed the review. Quick review, down and dirty, just to show you this thing works great. And for the price point, I think it's under 50 bucks. It's well worth it, especially if you're walking around doing interviews and if you want to have the phone far away. And, you know, if you're on top of the phone like I am right now, it sounds decent, but as soon as you walk away 10, 15 feet, forget it. You can't hear anything. And that's what this is used for that kind of stuff. All right, guys, I appreciate it as always. Don't forget that super thanks at the end of the down below. That helps support my channel. So anything I do raise with my channel goes back into the channel so we can purchase new items. This was not given to me. This was purchased by my own money. So I can bring this to technology and just show you pretty much how this works. Simple to use, lightning connection, plug and play, no BS, really easy. And I've used microphones for thousands of dollars, and this sounds just as good. Honestly, not bad. All right, guys, I appreciate it as always. And I'll see you at the next one. And check out all these other videos all around. We have all kinds of tech and interesting videos on my channel, over 700 videos on my channel to help you learn about different things. Thanks for watching.